Hi there, in this quick video I will show you how to find the archived email in Gmail. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, click the like button and press the bell icon so you never miss out helpful tech tips like this. Let's type in. First of all, let's archive an email, and after that I will show you where you will find it and how to again bring it to inbox. This email is in my inbox. Let's mark it, and this is the archive button. That means this disappear. Archive doesn't mean the email deleted, it's just removed from inbox to clean it up. So how to find it? To find it, go to the left menu bar in Gmail and click on more, and after that click all mails. Under the all mails you'll find this is the email that we archived, and here inbox label is absent. That means in all mail all the emails are presented that's our inbox and archived. So if you want to see only the archived email in all mail, you have to use the advanced search. Like here's the advanced search, and here mention the label inbox should be removed. For example, here click on label inbox and you can see duration on which duration you want to see. If you want to see 1 week, that's okay, but 1 day, whatever you want, 1 year even. But if we want to see this long range, it will bring more emails. So for this tutorial I'll just see 3 days. After that you have to mention here all mail, not inbox. You have to select here all mails and click search. Here is the archived emails for last 3 days. If you want to restore this archived email to your inbox, or how you can do that? To bring it to your inbox, click the check mark, and here's the move to inbox. Here click on the move to inbox. If you didn't find it, click on 3 dot here and click switch to advanced toolbar. You'll find, and here you will find move to inbox. Okay, click inbox. Here the inbox label is added. It means the archived email is now in our inbox. Here we are in inbox, and here is the email that we archived. So I think now you can find the archived email. If this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment if you have any question or Gmail tips to share. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.